11,000 days. That's how long I've been on this planet. I've experienced a lot of ups and downs, incredible highs and incredible lows, as we all have. But one thing that's always been a constant in my life is my bike. Ever since I was small, I always rode my bike. I rode to the park, through the woods, and even rode my bike to school while pocketing the bus fare my mum gave me. Through the worst parts of my life, the bike has been there to transport me away from it all. Escapism, a symbol of freedom, and a tool to lose weight, get in shape, and feel good about myself. I don't think of cycling as a sport. I didn't even know there was a Tour de France. My bike was a solitary machine that would clear my thoughts, immerse me in nature, and bring me pure happiness. Today, the bike remains a ticket to freedom, a vehicle to, albeit briefly, escape work, mortgages, and bills, a free pass to explore the world. Here's to the next 11,000.